Isn't that
Fuck
the
this fucking game, dude.
If I didn't get hit, then that was
I didn't see it.
Using dry bones and boot for some reason.
Or because we're both pale as fuck.
I guess so.
I wish that minigame was a little longer.
Yeah, me too.
Alright. You got pipes, you got
And that's the
shrooms.
equivalent of getting 20 coins in the other games, though. Or 26, I guess.
Yeah, even a big DK roll.
Oh, I mean, I would use the pipe because you're about to get you can get another pipe on the other side too.
True.
Wait, damn.
It's too late. I'll get us demonetized like 5 different times for all my singing. I talk like we get monetized in the first place. Yeah.
Isn't it?
So I can speed run and buy another pipe.
Makes sense.
We're running out of turns here.
We are.
We gotta go. I'm just gonna play it safe because I'm a coward. I think I could get to the shop this turn.
Your entourage gives you a ton of numbers, dude.
It's crazy. Give me that. And I got just enough to buy a pipe. And use it too.
You got a star.
You guys, and I stay in last. I don't get the awesome cutscene.
Alright, where is it at now, dude? Turning up the heat.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, there's a pretty interesting, I guess, twist in the last 3 turns that'll make this very interesting.
Oh!
Well,
Oh, Brando gets another star?
Don't make me
another
choose.
star, dude.
Yeah.
Damn it, dude. I almost would have had that.
I want 2 in 1 turn,
Oh,
please.
she has a different text too.
Holy smokes, you lagged the game, Brando.
Oh, brother.
We gotta get back in the game.
You got a star.
No. Dang it, dude.
All I'm saying is you might want to save your coin.
Yeah. Where is she going?
Top right, probably.
Nope.
Back there.
Trait, right? Interesting.
I see, I see. I still got my mush. And this.
Oh,
Not bad, not bad.
star's actually the closest over there. It needs a lot of coinage.
I needed a turn like that.
You did. I don't know. Now you're definitely in the running.
And the fact that the bonus stars are randomized, dude. Oh, I have no idea.
I did, cool.
Oh, you got a buddy. That you go.
It's like, I know you can make crazy plays with the Bowser pipe, but like, I needed to catch up there, so I didn't risk it. We're running out of friends. Cole! She's got one of my favorite blocks.
It's a pretty good one, I think. Yeah.
Good old Rosie. It's cool though, we've seen like almost every character's block in the first round alone.
I think I'm gonna go with Shy Guy.
Yeah, Shy Guy might be your main just for
Yeah.
Shy Guy and a mush, that's pretty good. Luckily I can buy another
Alright,
one.
another 0, please. It's a 1 in 6 chance. I'm not gonna get twice. Okay, yes I will.
Oh, but the friends came through there.
But it would have been just enough if you rolled the 4.
This is my item shop.
Okay, I'm straight. I'm buying another one.
Yep. You want to have those for the last 3 turns. For
Man, I love the Super Mario Party meta. Just buy pipes to win.
Right. It's a lot harder to do that on other maps, though, to be fair.
For sure. The shops are not this convenient.
Oh, you.
That really sucks.
17
17 won't count as a lot.
Finally? Oh.
Nope.
New
Yeah,
minigame, please? This is a good one. This is probably one of my favorite 1v3s.
I really like it when I'm on the one.
All you gotta do is punch the glowy lights.
We gotta take care of a section and then.
Yeah.
Let's see.
This one always comes down to the wire.
Yeah.
They got kind of better at making 1v3s in a way.
You guys are on the outside. That's the difference.
Yeah. It's like all you.
Hello, punch the lag, dude.
Oh no!
No.
Nintendo Switch Online.
No! Let's go!
So
Shit, that was close.
That's why I love it.
though, because like 80% of them were towards me. So
Yeah, they all went for Luke. They wanted to pressure him.
It's like if you could put even one or two more at the top for them to get when they're closer, that would have been solid.
Yeah, good minigame.
But yeah, I really like that one a lot.
That one is pretty cool.
Favorites.
Pretty cool idea.
Alright, D-Bones, are you gonna snipe it?
Probably. That's at the gold mush.
Got the insurance.
Yeah, just go for the golden mushroom, really, and save your golden.
I just can't believe it took this long for us to play this game online.
I know.
It's
I thought it
crazy.
would never happen.
Like, Nintendo's been going ham trying to promote their online. Like, it's about time.
5. Yeah, normal dice blocks is definitely the best way to go.
Nice.
Yeah, I would do the same.
Even dry bones would work.
More of a push.
Yeah, I just realized I couldn't count. Because I was like, well, with dry bones you roll a 1 and you get it. If DK rolls a 1. I was like, wait, I'm stupid.
Ow.
Doesn't need to pay a dime to one.
You did it, dry bones.
Definitely one of the closest races I've ever had in this game.
You got a star.
Everyone's just swapping like crazy.
Wait, what turn is this? 18?
17 out of 20.
So 3 more turns after this one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh.
Where are you going? To that top left again?
I'm just saying they should release like 50 more rounds.
Okay.
Oh.
This is the not good spot.
Yeah.
Oh. Dang it, Toadette. Yeah, like the one play that AV had with the Cursed Mushroom, that's like the only real use I've seen for it in this entire game.
Yeah.
Because we're all warping.
Yeah, it's very bad. And all you need is literally one ally to counteract it.
It's so easy to just, yeah. Like, if you use it on me now, dude, my friends will just back me up.
Right? There's like...
Oh, wow.
Come on!
Will you ever get the 10?
That's why I used the mush. I'm gonna buy another mush. Guess what, guys? I'm gonna try again next turn.
Okay. Hey, if it works, right?
Dude, the menus.
Break.
I'm scared to press anything.
60 FPS, I know, right?
I'm scared. I clicked right, but nothing's happening.
Gosh.
I don't want to buy the wrong item.
Imagine it drops now.
Yeah. It got a little scary in Boppin' Spree.
Oh,
It's done this 2 times though, so I wouldn't get too excited, Amy.
yeah, you could tell I haven't been paying attention.
You made it. Yeah, after 50 years.
The longest Mario Party
You
turn.
gotta stop.
Yes.
Just make a whole episode just be this one turn.
Probably good.
Ooh, all my money.
Go top left, please.
Alright.
Nope.
Please, I'm begging you.
Ooh. Uh-oh.
Did he roll high enough? He rolled pretty high.
Do I really want to get
Oh,
number 5?
dude.
God, dude.
He pulled a me.
4, 3. Can I get an ally? Yeah, I guess
Can't
so.
get a buddy?
I just look. So what's gonna happen, if I remember correctly, is in the last 3 turns you can buy 2 stars with Toadette with 20 coins, or 1 star with 10 coins.
Yeah, that's worth mentioning is you can buy 2 for 20 as of the last
And
3.
it's like, do I want to go and get the star now, or buy a golden pipe, hope to get 20 coins, and buy 2 stars?
Decisions.
And then what happens if I go down?
Lucky, I think? Nope.
I blew.
Blue.
I mean, you'll get a star and a buddy.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I was like, if it wasn't the buddies, definitely store. And I only have 21 coins. If I do bad at minigames,
You could get fucked.
yeah, it's like the star wouldn't even matter. Yeah, I'm gonna get
That's
the.
tough.
I'm gonna get the star. I'm gonna get the guarantee, and if
Hey,
star's definitely probably in the best position.
Yeah.
Although I'll have the same amount of coins. No, because I will be, because I'll have more buddies than him.
You
But
gotta
if he
stop.
gets 2 stars at the top left, then that could really help him out. I don't know. I'm putting too much brain power into Mario Party. That's what
I know.
it's in a loop
Big
again, dude. Dang it.
All the way over there.
It's never gonna go top left. Again, ever.
You get your 3rd and final friend.
No!
I think he has a
Junes has sworn allegiance.
Junes, dude, my buddy.
I've been waiting for you forever.
Oh, this block isn't that good.
I've been waiting for him. Oh,
instant denial.
oh boy.
Hey, if you roll a red, then we might put 2.
You're right.
Oh man.
Oh, I didn't get a 0 for once.
Finally, Shy Guy.
Oh, buddies.
Crap, big roll.
Ow, ow,
Fucking way.
ow, ow.
Nice.
Hi there.
I was like, if it costs a little bit less, I'd actually.
Yeah, it costs too much.
I've never seen people using it.
Ooh.
Good item.
Although that's mainly good for getting allies. So after you get 3, it's not as good. Not on this board.
Whoa!
Cool.
Finally.
Not on this board. On other boards.
Yes! This one is fun for everyone. It's just overcooked.
That's sad.
But you
Get the ingredients.
grab the wrong ones, then you're fucked.
Yeah, and you can get in people's ways. Oh god, Purple Toad is gonna be the bane of our existence, dude. He
What
can't
are
get
you
past it.
doing?
He
Turn!
gets in your way!
Oh my
Purple
god.
Toad vibing.
Dude, he's worse than the enemy team.
Right. Look at
Oh,
Goomba.
this
Oh,
time
it's yellow turd. It's yellow turd this time.
Alright, just grab the ingredients, boys. He starts over here, that's so fair. Oh my god. Get out of my way!
Oh no. Come on! Get there! Let's go! Come on, dude.
I'll let you get the lettuce. I'm gonna
Oh, dude, my god.
I'm gonna predict that it's gonna be this. Yeah, nicely done. And it's gonna be bacon. Colin. Yep. Let's each get a lettuce.
Bacon.
Dude, yellow turd is fucking me over.
I'm gonna predict another bacon. No!
Got the... Avi, drop it. You gotta drop it first.
How do you drop it?
Put it back over the lettuces.
Oh.
Oh.
See, Brando didn't know either. Yellow turd keeps getting in my way, dude.
He's the true antagonist.
Yeah, I don't know if I win this.
That's what you get!
I was trying my best, dude. You should have put the lettuce. Well, it doesn't tell you to be there.
It doesn't tell you, dude. I'm
I was being a big troll to both of them.
Dude, I didn't know what to do with my bacon.
Yeah, me and Brando are just like...
I was running around like an idiot. I was like, oh.
How do we put this down? I tried putting it down on the empty fucking thing. That would make sense.
Yeah, I go over to Turd. I'm like, can you take this bacon for me anyway? He could have just like given you an X and take the bacon, you know?
Yeah, I needed to win that.
Good thing I bought the star.
Last
That's
turn.
Time for a toad tip. Well, you know what? This is good that you're last in the moment because you might get a juicy item.
Oh. I love
Except
it.
he already has 3.
Oh, he thinks you're gonna win.
Oh, Lakitu, my buddy.
Oh, but I don't think you want to get rid of your pipes.
I mean,
No, I don't.
yeah.
No.
Dude, you only have 26 coins.
But but like 2 of the 3 turns, right? You can be a little cheeky.
Oh, it doubles coins and gains and losses, though.
And now the bad luck spaces become extra bad.
Oh, gosh.
You can lose stars on them now.
That's actually scary, dude.
It's getting real. And the music gets all scary.
Ooh,
Oh
so
my
it's-
god.
Well, I mean, at this point in the game, it's not a big deal since you have butters in the overall path.
Let's do it.
Yeah,
Last
but that's
thing.
scary for me, dude, in my plan.
Yeah. I hope I remembered correctly.
Honestly, I'm tempted to just skip the treasure chest and like keep my custom in case
I only see 1 star there.
in
Maybe I'm
case
missing
I'm
the last
doing
4.
extra bad luck.
How do you get the treasure chest?
A happening space.
Oh, it's to the right of it.
The one
The,
that's
on by the wing?
where Goomba is, where it says 13 coins.
Yeah, so right by the wing.
I might give it a shot anyway. But I don't want to waste my custom.
Fuck it, dude. Content, right?
Yeah, I gotta do it for the viewers.
Oh, I guess it's not on this point. Moved down. I haven't played this game since last year, so.
Gosh, dude.
Yeah, when things got hairy outside, this game died even further.
We went on vacation and we brought our Switch with us and had this game, so we played each of them.
Yeah, I did the same for a vacation before COVID, and the game sucked my pee-pee the entire time.
Oh wow.
Damn it! Right?
Don't make me choose.
choose.
Don't make me choose.
Damn, dude.
It's like the melon all over again.
It's the melon, dude.
Melon.
I like this last 3 turns.
Yeah. Oh my god.
What's it?
You gotta be kidding me. I'm
Taking the
sorry,
shot.
viewers.
Brando said no content. Brando said no content.
No, I care about the viewers. It's just,
He hasn't got a win, to be fair.
yeah, I'm really good at video games.
I don't think he's gonna win this time either.
I mean, he has a chance.
True, I don't know how the bonus stars will turn out, but we all have a lot of allies, so that could...
Yeah, it's tough, dude.
This is a tough one.
You got a star.
Can't predict this one.
I do like that this is a close race, though.
Mm-hmm.
It
It
is.
might not be down to last minigame like the Boo one, but it's
Yeah.
close between all of us.
Please go top left.
I think it's about past due for
It hasn't gone top left at all. Come on, Toadette!
There is so much emphasis on the syllable there.
Right. Toadette!
Toadette!
up, brother?
Yes, an item. I don't need a friend. Gimme.
Ooh.
It taunted you. It said you should have used that custom dice.
Oh,
Can I go reverse in this game?
Goomba time.
I need a button that says Goomba time. Ooh, the rosy blood.
8 coins time. 8 moves time, not coins.
You can go land on the chest.
Donut bite.
I have to get all the way over there, dude. I'm not getting over there in this turn.
What
So...
if I...
No.
No, I won't. I land on an ally space, which means useless. So I already have 30.
Rosie doesn't even need to walk. I only have $5. Ooh.
What are you trying to land on?
Let's see.
Oh, you're stalling?
Stalling. Who's stalling?
No!
Oh no!
No, you're...
Out of there. How would you ever go down?
He has to. The call!
You left the call, dude.
Scary, I don't like this one.
He's probably screaming right now, dude.
I wish I could hear it. He left the call. I hate this one. You have to pet him, and if he wakes up, he jump scares you and you lose.
Yeah, I'm trying to use it.
No, this one sucks. I don't want to do it.
Oh, he's readying up, so...
Come on, he's gonna try. This minigame's so funny. Oh man, he's gone, dude.
Dude, is your rage satiated?
I'm good.
Okay.
Dude, I wanted you to come back. This minigame's scary. Whoever loses, he jump scares
No,
you
no,
and you're out, and that's it.
I have a real serious question.
What?
How does Goomba pet Wiggler?
Please don't wake up. You can pet him as many times as you want. If he wakes up, that person loses and the game ends.
Okay, anyway.
Oh my god, dude, I'm scared.
You idiot.
Goomba, you're crazy!
Oh my god, dude.
Oh my god.
I have no hands, I don't know how I do it, but whatever.
You guys are insane. Oh. Please.
Oh god.
Leave me alone!
You're just getting mad.
No, I'm so scared. Play this one in the dark with friends, dude. It's terrifying.
Bro, chill out, man.
Oh, he's mad. I don't want him. Don't wake up.
You have to do that at least once, Star.
Oh. Oh no. Hit him. One more time.
Oh, fuck. Okay.
I'm screwed. Don't
Kidding
move
me?
my hand. Don't move my hand. Okay.
Oh no. Oh. Avi, you're crazy.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Oh no.
Oh my gosh.
Guys,
Fuck.
okay.
It's me, I'm losing.
One more.
Finish!
No, no
I
money.
had to do it.
Winners!
No. I was a greedy Gus. Oh.
Okay, we'll do editing cut. It ended up
Fuck
being-
this fucking game, dude.